revise lesson 13, the Herculean task. Herculean task. We'll have the oral revision first, and after that, I'll be sending the revision test link of the revision test. Okay, fine?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you have read the text thoroughly and also the notes given. Are you all thorough with it? Right? Okay. So shall I start asking the questions? The first question is, what do you mean by the word adventure? Who can give me the answer for that? Yes, Felix. What do you mean by adventure?
A dangerous yet an enjoyable activity.
Yes, a dangerous yet an enjoyable activity is called adventure. So when others are giving the answer, I request all of you to pay attention. Okay, fine. And after you answer, you can mute your audio. Herculean task story is adapted from which mythology? From which mythology is the story adapted? Niranjan.
Roman mythology.
Exactly, Roman mythology. Next question. Why was King Eurystheus worried? Navneet. Why was the king worried?
King Eurystheus was worried of Hercules had completed 10 difficult tasks.
Okay.
The countrymen had started calling him a hero.
Hero, yes. As King Eurystheus was a king, he was a king. He wanted the people to consider him as the hero and not his brother, not his cousin brother Hercules. Whereas Hercules had completed, as Navneet said, he completed all the 10 challenging tasks and he was becoming popular among the people. Okay, and this created worry in him. He was worried because of all this. Very good, Navneet. And the next question is, who was the best navigator in the story? Krishna. Who was the best navigator?
The old man.
Yes, the old man of? There is something more with that old man. The old man of the sea. Okay, that is specifically said in the story. The old man of the sea was the best navigator. Very good. And what was strange about this old man? Celine, what was strange about this old man?
He can change forms.
Exactly, he can change forms. So he has to be held very tight, right? Otherwise, he will keep on changing his forms. Now, who was the short-tempered man in the story? Hrithvi, who was a short-tempered man? You're not audible, Hrithvi. Increase that volume. Try again. Still, it's not audible. Please check the audio. Glenn, who was the short-tempered man in the story?
Antius.
Antius. And Glenn, what do you mean by the word short-tempered?
Angry, little angry.
Getting angry very fast. One who gets angry very fast is called short-tempered. Very good. Very good. Now, who guarded the garden of the Hesperides? Siddhi.
100-headed dragon called Ladon.
Exactly. The never sleeping 100-headed dragon named Ladon guarded the garden of the Hesperides. Very good. Now, why did Atlas readily agree to get the golden apples from the garden of the Hesperides? This question goes to Aditi.
Because he was brave and strong.
Who? Atlas.
Hercules.
No, I asked the question, why did Atlas readily agree to get the golden apples from the garden?
Because Hercules lifted him up in the air.
No, Aditi, you're wrong.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Wait. Siddhi.
Ma'am, can you repeat the
She got
question?
confused. She got confused. Why did Atlas readily agree to get the golden apples from the garden for Hercules?
because Hercules told that he
Hmm.
would hold the earth for some time.
Okay. And
And
Atlas was very tired. He was tired of holding the earth. Yes.
he hated holding the earth on his shoulders.
Exactly. He hated holding the earth on his shoulders. So when Atlas offered this help, he readily agreed to give the golden apples to him. Okay. So Aditi, don't be careless. Okay. Listen to the questions and answer. Now, what was the king's reaction? What was the king's reaction on seeing Hercules bringing back the golden apples from the garden? Izan.
He was shocked and nearly fainted.
Yes, he was very shocked and nearly fainted. Very good. Now, next question. Hesperides are also known by another name. What is that name? Naznia. Hesperides are also known by another name. What is that name? Hesperides are also known by, yes? Janvi?
Goddesses of evening.
Exactly, the goddesses of the evening. And Janvi, who was the father of the Hesperides?
Atlas.
Atlas. Atlas was the father of the nymph daughters. Okay, nymph daughters, Hesperides, and nymphs means female spirit that lives in rivers and forests. Okay, fine. And what do you mean by the word mythology, Ryan?
A
Mythology.
rich collection of traditional tales.
Exactly, rich collection of traditional tales is called mythology. Now, Aryan, what is the antonym of the word previous?
Next.
Next, very good. Now, who guided Hercules in the beginning? Dhanvin.
The nymph.
What type of nymph?
A beautiful.
A beautiful nymph. A beautiful nymph guided Hercules in the beginning. Now, past tense of the word seek. Parvati. What is the past tense of the word seek? S-E-E-K. Sought. Spelling? Spell it.
S-I.
Huh? S-I.
So
Uh,
L-G.
N.
S.
Spell it again. Sought.
S-O-U-G-H-T.
Yes, S-O-U-G-H-T. Sought is the past tense of the word seek. Now, the next question, Adide, what is an attempt to achieve something called? An attempt to achieve something. What is it called? One word. An attempt.
Pursuit.
Very good. Pursuit. Pursuit is the answer. Now, what is the antonym of the word tough? Riza. Tough.
Easy.
Easy. Yes. Now, whom did Hercules, what is that noise? Whom did Hercules lift high up in the air and scare? Kirtana.
Antius.
Antius. Very good. Now, King Eurystheus ruled which city? Maria.
Roman.
Rome. King Eurystheus ruled the city of Rome. Isha Fatima. What did the kraken resemble to? What did the kraken resemble to? Ashwal. What did the kraken resemble to?
A giant sea monster.
Giant sea monster. It was a sea monster resembling a giant octopus. Octopus. Okay. Very good. And what is the past tense of the word bring? Jenica. Past tense of bring. Jenica Jomi, what is the past tense of the word bring? Unnimaya. Brought. Okay, brought. And where was the garden situated? Where was the garden situated? Yes, Mayuk.
Ma'am, in an island.
On an island. On an island. Yes. Arpita, what is the antonym of the word? Oof. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
antonym of the word ugly.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Very good. And Alexandra, what is the antonym of the word agree? A-G-R-E-E. Agree. Unmute.
Can you repeat the question?
What is the antonym of the word agree?
Disagree.
Disagree. Very good. Now, what is the one word for the meaning became unconscious? Became unconscious. Dia.
Fainted.
Fainted. Very good. Now, who can tell me who was the father of Hercules? Manas and Aujas. Anyone? You can say. Who was the father?
Zeus.
Zeus. Very good. God Zeus was the father of Hercules. And yes, any more questions? Any doubts regarding this lesson?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Wait. One by one. Yes,
Ma'am,
Riza. Riza, tell me.
Ma'am, who was the father of the Hesperides?
Atlas. Atlas. And you remember, Atlas was standing just outside the garden. Only he could, and there is a sentence in the lesson, only Atlas could enter the garden and get the golden apples. And that is the reason why Hercules approached him.
In the last class test, I read Zeus was the...
Zeus was the father of Zeus was the father of Hercules, whereas Atlas
Doubt.
was the father of Hesperides.
Ma'am,
Any more
I have
doubt?
a doubt here.
Yes, Felix, tell me.
Ma'am, this Atlas is carrying the earth
Yes.
right now.
Yes,
And
yes.
then Hercules went out of outer space, or they were living on another planet.
Maybe. That's it. Okay. I don't have any
I
idea about
am
it.
not understanding
Okay,
the
okay.
Atlas is carrying the earth.
Ma'am,
They
I
are
have a doubt,
living in
ma'am.
Fine. Sarah, tell me. Ask me.
Sarah.
Sarah.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Mm,
Ma'am, in this story,
mm.
Atlas was having another name.
No,
No.
he's known
Then,
by the name Atlas.
so one person was having another name.
That is Hercules. Hercules is
Okay,
also
ma'am.
known by the name Heracles. Heracles. Yes, Aryan, tell me.
Ma'am, really the son of Zeus is Perseus, right? In the Clash of Titans movie.
But I think Zeus have many children. One of his children was Hercules. He has, I guess, 8 or 9 children. Okay. Okay, children. So I hope everything is clear to you. Okay. I hope the stories. Just a moment. I hope the story is clear to you. So we had 3 tests on this lesson, after this lesson. 2 small tests, short tests were conducted, and after that, a complete test on this lesson was conducted. And you know what are the different mistakes that you made? Where did you lose your marks? So please make sure that you don't repeat the same mistakes. There will be again 20 questions in this revision test. Read the questions carefully, go through the options very carefully before clicking on the answer. And before you click on the submit, please scroll backward and check whether you have answered all the questions correctly. Okay. So shall I send the link of the test? Yes. So please close your textbook. Please close your textbook, keep it aside. And do it very slowly. Some of you, I find that within 5 minutes or within 2 minutes, you submit the response. Maybe you're very confident, but please make sure that you don't be overconfident, because you are likely to make mistake if you do it in a haste. You might be knowing the answer, but when you do it in a hurry, you tend to commit mistakes, which should not happen. Okay. So take time, do it at a comfortable pace. Okay, fine. Yes, here you go. Yes, Alessandra.
Ma'am, I did not get the link.
Why? Just a moment. I'll send it again.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, you can unmute your audio. Unmute your audio and ask me the doubt. What is that, Rudvi?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can't attend the test.
Why?
I so many times I go into the text, but I can't click any answers, ma'am.
Do one thing. Are you doing it through your phone or any other
Yes,
device?
ma'am. Through my phone, ma'am.
You do one thing. I have sent a link in the WhatsApp.
Okay,
Just check.
ma'am.
Just try to log in through that.
Okay,
Open the
ma'am.
link through that.
Ma'am, I finish.
Haha. Did you submit?
Yes.
And what is the score?
I finished.
Full mark.
Full mark. Okay. If you had lost any mark, I would have scolded you, Maria. Okay. And what about Celine?
Full mark.
Full marks. Congratulations.
Ma'am, finished. I got
Finished.
full mark.
Full marks. Very good.
And full mark.
Siddhi also full mark. Okay. Great to hear that.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Maria.
Who was inside the garden of the Hesperides?
Sorry?
Ma'am,
Wait.
ma'am, over.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Uh-huh.
can't do the test.
Why? What happened?
I don't know, ma'am. When I am
getting to the test, it is coming like sign in.
So you have not signed into your Google account. You have to keep yourself signed in always. Only then you will be able to access the link.
Ma'am,
Yes, Alessandra. Just a moment, Maria.
can you read the 11th question?
11th question, sure. Hercules was the son of Dash. Atlas, Zeus, Eurystheus. We discussed.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes. Please stay silent. Don't disclose any of the answers. Okay. Maria, I didn't get you actually. What were you asking?
Was inside the garden of the Hesperides. Inside
Is this nymph's daughters?
Ma'am,
garden
I
belonged
can't
to them.
understand that also, ma'am.
Okay. So maybe some problem with the device or the network, Sarah. Just try doing it later. Okay.
Ma'am, it's not my mother's phone. Always I am going through my mother's phone. This is my grandmother's.
So maybe it might not be like logged into the account. Only if you're
Okay,
logged
ma'am.
into your Google account, you'll be able to access the link. Okay. You do
Okay,
it later.
ma'am.
Anyway, I have sent it to the WhatsApp. You can just send it to your mother's phone and do it.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
Maria, yes, Joanne.
Ma'am, I got full mark.
Very good. Keep it up.
Ma'am,
So-
I finished.
Ma'am, I got full mark.
Ma'am, I got
Keep it up. Aryan, keep it up.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, I finished and I got
Full marks. Great.
Ma'am, I got full mark.
Mm.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arpita.
I got full marks.
Okay, congrats.
Thank you,
Adi?
ma'am.
Adi, you're still doing? It's okay, take your time. Okay, do it at your pace.
Ma'am, I finished.
Who finished?
Ma'am,
Joanne.
I did.
Okay.
ma'am, I got full.
Okay.
Got full mark.
Congrats.
Ma'am, I over.
Very
Ma'am,
good, very good.
some questions was there in the last.
Yes. I have just mixed up, yes. Because
Some questions was there.
I told you I had conducted 3 different tests from this lesson. So the same questions are being jumbled.
Okay. I got
Ma'am, I got full mark.
Very good, Riza.
Ma'am, I also got full mark.
Very good.
പേർക്ക് ഫുൾ ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് ഫുൾ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Siddhi had messaged me saying she did not get the link. Where is Siddhi? Siddhi, unmute your audio. Did you get
the link?
Okay, fine.
At that time, I didn't get. Then I get the link.
Okay. Because I'm seeing your message now. Don't say full out of full, okay? It's full marks or 20 on 20, 20 out of 20. Is there anyone left to submit a response? Everyone did it? Full marks. Okay, great. So congratulations to all those who scored full marks. That shows that you are thorough with this lesson. Okay. And if at all, if you had made any mistake, please learn from the mistake and make sure that you don't repeat the same mistake in your coming exam, in your upcoming examination. Okay, because this is just a revision. So you're going to have your exams from 16th onwards. Why did Izan leave? Okay, so in the next class, that is on Tuesday, you all have to revise the last lesson. Last lesson means we have just 3 lessons for, yes, lesson number 15, going downhill on a bicycle. That has to be revised, plus the workbook exercises. The modules, The modules and the page numbers have been given in the portions. I hope you have gone through it, the portion slip, timetable. So please make sure that you revise the lesson 15 thoroughly. Plus, you have to also revise the workbook exercises and come prepared for the next class. I'll conduct a revision test. Like this.
Yesterday studied all the
Okay,
chapters.
we will have an oral revision first, and then a revision test will be conducted. Okay, so with that, our revision for the MCQ 3 will be completed. We have completed the revision. Fine. All the 3 lessons plus workbook exercises. Yes, Niranjan.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ask me.
Ma'am, the old man in the sea
Mm.
told the garden of Hesperides
Mm.
was on an island.
Yes.
So, in the story that is telling, the Atlas was standing
Mm.
in front of the
Garden.
gate of the garden.
Garden.
So, Atlas was holding the earth.
Yes.
So, in the space, where is island?
Island means island. The garden is on the island. It might be a huge island. It's just an imagination, children. Okay. Even I don't have any clear idea about the story. So it's a big island. And you know what is an island? An island is a place, land surrounded by water on all sides. Yes. And he's standing outside the garden with the earth on his shoulders.
So he's standing on the water.
No, he's not standing on the water. He's there on the island itself. Okay, he is there. He's there on the island in front of the garden. And the garden belongs to his daughters. That's all. Okay. And first of all, it's a mythology. It's just a traditional tale. So it might be true or it might not be true. A lot of imaginations also included in this. Who is that?
Riza.
Naznia, did you submit your response? Naznia. And what is your score?
She is always not able to unmute in some class.
Yes. What is the score? The video got stuck. Yes, Maria.
Ma'am, so when Atlas was carrying the earth, near Ladin was also there.
Yes, Ladin was also there. He was the, gatekeeper. Maybe he was, Atlas was standing outside holding the earth on his shoulders, and the garden was guarded by Ladin.
So Ladin cannot enter the garden?
No, he cannot enter the garden. I think only Atlas can enter the garden. He was just a gatekeeper. Maybe. Otherwise, Hercules could have asked Ladin to go and get the apples for him, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Sri Hari.
Ma'am, you told the garden of Hesperides was guarded by a 100-headed never sleeping dragon, Ladin, right? Then how did Hercules go through Ladin?
He attacked. Obviously, he attacked Ladin.
But did he have any weapons?
Who?
Hercules.
Hercules was mighty strong. He was very strong. He was very strong, and he had he was very powerful. He could easily attack Ladin.
He was not even scared of dragon.
Okay, children. So that's it. I think we can wind up the session now. What doubt has Felix now? Yes. Felix, the spelling of doubt. Wait. First learn the spelling of doubt. D-O-U-B-T, not G-T. Okay, fine. Ask me.
Okay, ma'am. This Atlas was in front of the Garden of Hesperides, right? And then Ladin was beside him.
Yes.
So why can't the Ladin eat Atlas?
My God, he won't do it because they belong to the same group. Huh?
Felix,
See,
don't
the
say
garden-
any silly questions.
No.
Hungry, no. Then no choice to eat Atlas.
He will have enough food there. No need to eat God Atlas. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Okay, children. So let's wind up today's session. As I said,
Don't
as I said, please,
questions, okay.
please revise the next lesson for the next class. Okay, and
Okay,
revise
ma'am.
well. Okay, thank you then. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.